Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to install HTTP ping on Ubuntu 16.04. The problem with it, if you install it just like sudo apt-get install HTTP ping, is that there is no -k, which is a really cool graphical version of HTTP ping. So you can see we're on 2.4, but if you go here, the newest one is 2.5. So the first thing we're going to do is sudo apt-get remove our HTTP ping. So that should remove it for us. And then we're going to download the new one. Right now the current stable release is this one here. So we're going to open that, and you could go through this if you'd like. But we're going to go here. I'm going to just put this link on YouTube in the description. So let's go here. I'm actually going to get the recent package, the Debian package. So let's just go and save link as, and I'm going to put it in my home folder just to make this easier. So I should have that now. If I hit that, let's see. Cool, it's there. Okay, so we're going to sudo and then dpackage-i and install our new HTTP ping. So there you go. HTTP ping should now be installed with the graphical interface. So good luck.